Hi there, students. Rigorous, vigorous, or strenuous? Rigor, vigor, or strenuity? Well, strenuity is a bit unusual, but it does exist, the nouns. Okay, if something is rigorous, it goes through things accurately, very strictly. It's very thorough. Yeah, you cover everything. So I made a rigorous inspection of the engine. He's very rigorous in his implementation of the rules. He's very painstaking. He's very scrupulous. Yeah, he's carefully considering every part, looking at everything to make certain that it's correct or that it's safe. So, yes, you need rigorous testing methods, rigorous methods of checking something. Yeah? Rigorous controls. Yeah? They control something very strongly. There are lots and lots and lots of rules. Vigorous, full of energy, physically strong and active. A plant could be vigorous, full of energy and growth and life. Yeah, physically very strong, physically very active. Okay, so it's very forceful, it's very energetic, vigorous exercise, full of energy, vigorous opposition to what has been said. Vigorous, healthy, strong, and full of energy. And then strenuous. Strenuous is something that needs a lot of effort, a lot of energy. Yeah, strenuous. It's something that strains you. It puts you to near the limits. Yeah. Strenuous exercise, it strains you to your limits. Vigorous just means full of energy, and rigorous covering all the different points. He made strenuous efforts to make sure that everything was correct. He made strenuous efforts to be rigorous. Okay, so strenuous, needing a lot of energy. So, for example, I don't know, playing rugby is much more strenuous than playing golf. Yeah, it strains you more. It puts you closer to the limits. So, rigorous, being thorough, checking every detail. Vigorous, full of life, and strenuous, strains you near or to the limit. All of these words, I think I would give them a 5 in formality and use them anywhere. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Rigorous, vigorous, and strenuous.